Demon just got out of can. I gave my bro in advance.
How's it going, lot? Welcome back to the channel today. So you're joining me in the tag right now. Today's video, well, there's actually going to be 2 videos I'm filming today, but the first one, and probably the main one actually, is the one we're doing now, which is a de-wiper to the Integra DC5. I have got a kit from Killer Wipers. Now, you probably all heard of them, a lot of you have probably heard of them before. They're an awesome brand and they make proper good kits. It's not like usual Halford's bung that a lot of other people use, e.g. I have used in the past for my Fiesta, but let's forget about that one. Here is the kit itself. It comes like this. It comes with instructions on the back, like a sealer, and the actual bung itself, which is a glass bung, which makes it look really clean. So I couldn't recommend any more to use, like, to basically go ahead and use these guys because they're awesome at what they do. I do keep in contact with them sometimes on Instagram, but I haven't got a discount code for this because it's not a promotional video. It's something I want to do to the Integra to make it a bit more cleaner. So we're gonna go ahead and do that today. The second video is basically a cleaning video with some Young Cars detailing products, but that is in another video which I will be putting up at a later stage. So for now, guys, I want you to sit back, enjoy the video. I'll hopefully show you correctly, step by step, what you've got to do to de-wiper a DC5, or it's pretty much the same on pretty much any car anyway, but we'll go ahead and do it now. So sit back, enjoy, and let's get on with today's video. So first things first, the trusty little toolbox to hand. Like a Phillips and, you know, like a 10mm socket, something like that. I don't know, it's all different for different cars, but I've got my Halford's toolbox today, and it's got 200-piece set, so I've got everything I need. I know that for a fact too on this Integra. Now, I don't know if these bits actually pull off from the top, because usually 9 times out of 10 you have to pull these off. Underneath that there is a bolt, like a bolt way that you can usually pull off, but it doesn't look like you can pull off on these. So what I'm gonna try and do, I'm pretty sure you do have to pull this off, guys. So what I'm gonna do is basically get something to pry it underneath and then pry this off, because it's probably been on there for a while. So we'll go ahead and quickly do that. Just want to take a minute to appreciate how good this paintwork actually looks in the sun. Look at that, stunning. It's gonna be so good when I use the cleaning products on this in another video, but yeah, that's not for now. So once you've got the cover off, it's a little 10mm bolt right there. Got a little wound somewhere. I had the flathead trying to get in here because it wasn't coming off, so I ended up stabbing right through my finger a bit. But 10mm socket, we'll go grab that right now. Ratchet, 10mm socket. Pop that one on there like so. I think it's, no, maybe not a 10mm. I think it's a 12. There you go, that's a 12 socket sizes. That's just embarrassing. So hopefully with a bit of luck, it's probably gonna be tight because it hasn't been done for a while. There we go. One is quite tight, so that should just come off like that. Pretty simple. Try and keep hold of all these stuff if you can as we get into the boot. I believe down here you can pop these either up or down. I think it is. There you go, up. And in there, there's the screw there, the Phillips screw. Same probably on this side as well, Phillips screw, and up in there you go, that's a Phillips as well. Then after those screws are out, these side pillars pop out, and then this should pop out as well. So I'm gonna try and record it all for you, get it all done, and then that should pretty much be the hardest part out the way, fingers crossed anyway. Phillips head here, guys. Go ahead and take these out. Bits that actually these bits on the side right now that I'm taking out that actually hold the partial shelf in, so you want to put them in afterwards, so make sure you do. Don't go leaving them out. So that's one. Like I said, look after them because you do not want them going anywhere. And then there's 2. So that's those 2 out. Pretty simple. I might actually bring the camera up around for this one that's in here because I want you all to see it. So I'm going to try and do this one-handed. Should be pretty simple. It feels quite loose anyway at the minute. I just don't want to lose. I can feel like this screw's going to drop on my face. You just know it. You just know that feeling when you just don't want it to. And like I'm trying to prepare myself for it to catch it. Now what I might do actually is quickly get my hand on it if I can. And I'll do it like that. Can I? A little bit. There we go, it's coming. Right, definitely do not want to lose that screw because if that goes missing, I'm in big trouble. There we go, so that one's out. So put all these down together like that, and hopefully, I mean, I'll try and do this one-handed. I mean, I probably can't because I'm quite reckless. What's underneath it anyway? Actually, oh, let's have a good nose at everything. Oh, I think that's where the... no, that's the bulb for that. That's quite cool. Handy to know in the future anyway. Break it, everything feels like it's going to break. Oh, no, that's that. Got it. That's fine, hopefully. I don't know, lads, it just feels like everything's... there it goes. It just falls down like that. That's quite good. Oh, at least he's done like an actual full paint job. I didn't realise that. I thought they've literally gone ahead and painted everything in here, apart from the engine bay. Why? So this is the motor we're going to take out. I believe, hopefully, they look like they're the same size. Actually, this is where they could be 10mm. Yeah, these ones are 10mm. So quickly pop that one down there. Undo these ones. Actually, you want to take out that sensor as well quickly. Where it sits into, what's it on here? It looks like it's on like a, right. Does it actually pull out or not? It looks like it should pull out, but I don't know, I just don't want to break anything. I suppose actually, wait a minute, if I take it all out, I take all the little bracket bolts out, then it should be fine because then it won't have anything to like basically mount onto. So I'm going to put the camera down again because I probably feel like I need 2 hours for this sort of thing. Is pop the camera up like that. I don't know if you can see anything actually. If I get out the way, I can see the motor a little bit. There you go. Should be able to. Hopefully, you can see it fine. Washer belt coming. There's quite a lot of expensive things on there, so not when it's smashing in. So hopefully you'll go like finger tight in a minute. This probably has. Oh, it's starting to. I always say, like, if you're undoing bolts, guys, like when they get down to the point where they are finger tight, don't keep using it with a ratchet. Try and use your hands because 9 times out of 10, if you keep using the ratchet, unless it's got a magnetic end or something like that, you're going to lose the bolts, and you really don't want to be losing it because if you do ever want to go back to standard or you ever want to do anything, then I highly recommend you keep everything. If I quickly just show you how far I've got to, because this is the first time I've done it. I don't see any tutorials or anything like that. I'm just doing it as I go. So basically, I undone them all, it came off. I completely took all the bolts out. You can slide them out, I think, but they're quite solid. And then this bit has to come down this way. So when I was at that point earlier, in which it had the actual wing mirror on, which is right there, what you have to do is fling the wing mirror up, and it should lift off quite easy. And then now you've got to take these off as well. So these should come off quite easily, and then you've got yourself another bolt. Okay, luckily it was not too hard at all actually. So everything's pretty much off. I believe I can see this just falling through now. So I swear to God, this one's going to come off and it's going to go right through in it. I can just see it happening. There it goes. No. Get it right. This is why I need to disconnect it from this. But that is pretty much everything out. That's after the motor. I don't know. Yeah, this is like a grommet here already, which is just like basically seal it, stop the water getting in. That's gonna have to come out in a second. So let me just disconnect this, guys, and then we will sort out the situation with this and hopefully just clean it up and then get the rear wiper delete on. It should be good. Buzz in. So motor is out, clips undone. I mean, you can do what you want with that. Just, if you want to keep it, then just keep that there. This you can just, to be fair, just tuck it up in behind here or something, or tuck up there. It's not going to go anywhere. So now let's figure out how to actually get this bit out, because we're not going to need it. So What I might do quickly is undo the packaging of the Killer Wipers kit and see actually what size it is, because then I will know if I actually take that out or not. That actually looks quite cool. I thought I actually ended up getting the glass one, but maybe I didn't. Maybe I got the one with the Killer Wipers. That doesn't matter because that looks quite cool anyway, so we'll get that on. It says tinted, so yeah, that is going to look awesome. Should I keep it on? I might just keep it on for a minute because that actually looks quite cool if it is there like that. Yeah, that definitely looks cool. Really, I've really out my hand doing that. Oh, I was pretty much pulling air and it just literally smashed against the wing. It hasn't damaged the wing or anything, but that is how it would look. Like de-wipered. I haven't, like, it looks so much cleaner, especially from the back and that as well. I think I will take the Killer Wipers bit off because it just looks cleaner with the sticker off. So I'll just take that one off quickly. You're not gonna laugh at me. I had a bit of a silly moment. Oops. Basically, so as you see here, I can see why he had the sticker on it now, because where is it? Look, underneath you have a bit which is actually the bit that goes. That bit goes through there instead of it being on top like that. So I'm guessing you actually you seal it and then you put it through like that, and then that is it. So the sticker will be there. Well, I should have kept the sticker on, but that's why. Definitely read instructions, guys, because I definitely did that. So I've got it here. It's already undone. So I'm guessing you just literally seal it around the top like this, if it comes through. Why doesn't it come through? I think it's, there we go. So it's black sealant as well, which is really nice. Try not to get it on the glass. My hands are so shaky. So there we go. I don't know if you can see it. There you go. There's all the sealer around it. I'm going to push it up in place and then hold it there just so it sticks properly. So we'll do that now. Hopefully I get this pretty bang on, because I want to make sure it is right in the middle. So I won't record this bit, lads, because I want to make sure when I'm putting it through it's not off-centered or anything like that. So I need both my hands for this, unfortunately. So when I'm back, I will show you what it looks like. It's all good. It's done. There you go. Look at that. How much better does that look? Just walking across the car, like walking around it. Just come around the whole car. Cool. Ignore the shake camera then. Look how much better and cleaner that looks. So much better. So what I'm going to do now, lads, is quickly put everything back together on the inside, and then I'll end off today's video. So hopefully you've enjoyed. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is everything put back together and all done. Guys, so there we go. Thanks for watching today's video. I hope you really enjoyed it. If you want to check out Killer Wipers at all, I'll leave a link in the description down below. Check it out. They do all sorts of different brands. Like I said, I did order one for my Mini. It arrived and I didn't get a chance to fit it before I sold the car. So make sure you check it out. It also does like custom ones as well. I was going to get a custom LBTV one made, but I didn't get around to it in the end. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching today's video. It's a nice little mod. It's really nice, actually, considering the rear windscreen. It's absolutely huge in these Integras, and it makes everything look really, really clear. So and clean as well. It just looks, especially on a car like this in this colour, it just like sets it off perfectly. That's one thing it did need doing, is the de-wiper kit. So yeah, guys, I'm doing another video today as well, like I said. So if I'm in the next video and I'm wearing the same clothes, don't kick off me saying, Luke, you don't wash. I wash. Just wearing the same clothes. Although I'm sweating like mad right now because it is really, really hot in the car. But yeah, thanks for watching the video, guys. I hugely appreciate your feedback you're giving in every single video. The comments and the likes and the love you're giving is amazing. And hopefully soon we can bring out more content on the Del Sol, which is sitting right there. But yeah, guys, check out all my social media links in the description down below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and hit that thumbs up button for more videos. And I'll see you all in the next one. Bye bye for now.